Alright hustlers, I'm getting ready to drop a gem on how I personally fly for free. And that's with the Delta SkyMiles American Express credit cards. I'm gonna tell you, these cards, these are the keys to flying for free. I'm gonna give you a full breakdown on how all the cards work. You'll have a better understanding by the end of this video. So to start, Delta has 4 cards to choose from. Since we're spending organically through reselling and the other methods that we're teaching in the Discord, it's easy to rack up points. I'm gonna give you a breakdown on each card so you have a better understanding of the perks and which one you should choose. So the first up is the Delta SkyMiles American Express Blue credit card. It has a $0 annual fee. The perks, obviously no annual fee. You get 2 times the miles on Delta flights and Delta vacations. And then 2 times the miles on every dollar spent on restaurants worldwide. Next up is the Delta SkyMiles Gold American Express card. There is a $0 introductory annual fee for the first year, and in every year following is a $99 annual fee. Some of the perks of the card: you get a 15% discount on award travel when you fly with miles through Delta. Whenever you're flying with Delta, your first check bag is always free, and you get 2 times the miles at restaurants and at supermarkets. Third card on the list is the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express. And this one has a little higher fee of $250. Some of the perks: you also get that 15% discount when you travel using miles. You get 3 times the miles purchases made directly on hotels and Delta purchases. The Platinum card also comes with a book now, pay later for flights of $100 or more on Delta.com with the Planet by American Express. And the fourth card is the Delta SkyMiles Reward American Express. This has the highest annual fee of $550. The perks of this card: the 15% discount, so the Gold, the Platinum, and the Reserve all get 15% discount on award travel. You get Delta Sky Club access and one-time guest passes. If you haven't been to the Sky Club, trust me, it's an experience that you want to experience. You get those Sky Club passes. When I tell you that having a 2, 3, 4 hour layover, being able to be in a comfortable environment where there's free food, free drinks, comfortable seating, light music, possible television, it elevates your flight experience. So those are the 4 cards. But remember, the key to choosing which card that you want to get lies with your understanding of your own travel habits. It's about finding the perfect match that aligns with how often you fly. If you're only flying 2 or 3 times a year, you really would need the Reserve card. But if you're flying 10 plus times a year, you'd be cheating yourself with the Blue. So assess your travel needs, evaluate your lifestyle, and pick the card that'll get you where you need to be for free. Let's start flying.